Are you ready to take your breakfast game to the next level? Today I'll show you how to make French toast nuggets. These little bites of heaven are a fun take on traditional French toast. Once you try them, you will never go back. So let's go ahead and get started. To make these French toast nuggets, we'll only need a few ingredients. But let's kick things off with our star player, the challah bread. This bread has a wonderful texture and is perfect for French toast and for the French toast nuggets. I'm going to cut them into thick slices first, aiming for a couple of inches thick, as this will give us a nice substantial nuggets. Now let's talk crust. Personally, I love the added texture it brings to the nuggets, so I'm going to leave it. But it's your kitchen, your rules, so if you prefer to take it off, feel free to do so. Now that our bread is prepped, let's whip up the egg mixture that'll transform these cubes into French toast nuggets. In the bowl, we're going to whisk together 3 eggs, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1 cup of milk. Give it a good mix to ensure it's well combined. We want all our nuggets to be coated evenly and soak up all that delicious flavor. Remember, this mixture is key to achieving that perfect balance between a crispy exterior and a soft, custardy interior that we all love in French toast. Once you've got the egg mixture properly mixed and all of the nuggets dipped, it's time to move on to the next step. Now it's time to bring our French toast nuggets to life. I've got my deep fryer set at 350 degrees. If you don't have a deep fryer, no worries. You can use a heavy bottom pot or a Dutch oven instead. Just make sure you use a thermometer to monitor the temperature. When adding the nuggets to the fryer, make sure you're not overcrowding it. We want each piece to cook evenly and get that perfect golden brown crust. This process is super quick, so don't even think about stepping away. As soon as you think you can step away, these things will end up burnt and you'll have to start all over again. You're going to fry them on one side for about a minute and then flip them over and fry them again for another minute. That's it. This whole process of frying takes literally 2 minutes, and that's it. That's why you cannot step away while you are frying these nuggets. And when they're done, they have a beautiful golden brown color. You know they're ready. Now I'm going to show you how to make your own syrup to go with your nuggets. It's easy. 1/2 cup of brown sugar, 1/2 cup of white sugar, 1 cup of water, 1/4 cup of corn syrup. Mix it together and boil for about 8 minutes on medium high. Then add 1 teaspoon of maple syrup, and then it'll thicken. And once it thickens and cools, you can pour it into a bottle. So that's it. With just a few steps and ingredients, you made your own French toast nuggets. And I bet they will be your new breakfast go-to.